Hi guys, this is again amifullest. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to do another unboxing slash Aliexpress weave review. Not review, just to show you guys how this weave look like. I'll tell you guys, I picked up some few wig on Aliexpress, so one of the wig is already here, so I want to show you guys how this wig look like. I picked this wig up from Aliexpress from a site called Golden Beauty, and the wig is I picked this up for 18 euros and 95 cents, and this wig is 12 inches. I'll put all the information in the description box, just check it out. And I want to say thank you guys for all my new subscribers and the old one who have stayed with me. Thank you guys so much. Guys, I have a second YouTube channel which I do mostly makeup look, because I want to learn more about makeup, so I create this channel where I do all of my makeup tutorials. If you guys want to check it out, I'll put a link below so you guys can go and support your girl, subscribe and support your girl on that channel. It's all about makeup, beauty and everything. You guys go and check it out. All the link will be down in the description box. So let's jump into this week. I've already opened the package just because I want to show off what I'm getting. So this is what it comes in, this plain plastic, and here is all my address. It comes in this plain plastic, so I open it to check. Whenever I have packages from AliExpress, I always open it before I sign, because sometimes you sign and then to get a refund is very difficult, and I'm not in for all the stress. So I open it and you get a mesh, a cap, this one inside, and then what else? You also get like a clip and a 2 elastic. So this is what you get extra when you open it. The wig come in like a bag like this. This is where the wig comes in. I haven't tried it because my hair is not braided, so I can't wait to braid my hair to try it out. So when you open this, this is what it looks like. Very long. This is black. Okay, I'm kind of excited at the same time nervous, because I don't know much about wig, so it's another thing I have to learn about. So you have this plastic. This is what I'm going to. This is what the wig comes. This is what the wig look like. Okay, this is what it looks like. I like it. Very nice. Very soft as well. It's very soft. And so we're going to turn it around just to show you guys. So you have like a lace front. For let me just say, for 19 euros, this is quite a decent wig. You have like two combs, but I would like to, like myself, I would like to add one more comb at the back, because just for security, because I don't know much about wig. I'm just afraid I'm gonna blow out. But this is what the inside look like. You got elastic to like adjust it to your head size. So this is what the wig look like, and you got quite a few gap of lace front. You got lace front. So I don't know whether, I see some people, they say that some people color their lace front to matches their head. I don't know if this one is going to match, but if you guys want to color the lace front, what kind of color do you guys use? Because I haven't seen a lot of videos. I've been watching more videos about wig and all those things, but I really don't have any idea. So what color can you guys use to like color if you guys want to color? But I don't think this is necessary to color, because it's kind of like, I don't know. But if you guys think what kind of color do you guys need to like color this thing? Because I really don't know. And you got some few quite space for 18 euros. For 19 euros is quite a good amount. Let's try out. I have this. Woo, guys, this is what, okay, I don't want to mess up my hair, but this is what it looks like. You got some really good parts. The part is not that like deep, big. So this is what it's gonna look like. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Like, I see some people that are like, oh, you have to like how to say, plug this one out so that it looks natural. I really don't know what looks natural. For me, when I say somebody is when you have a weave on, you have a weave on. It doesn't matter how nice you make it, it's still a weave. That's just that is just my way of thinking. So but I see some people like you have to plug it so it looks natural, and you have to color the net so that it looks, I really don't know. I really don't have any idea. But yeah, for 18 euros, tell me, it's really nice. I really like it. I have 2 more coming, so I can't wait for those ones to come as well. I get 2 black and one something like a gold black or something like that. But I can't wait to like braid my hair and actually put this on. I'm going to ask a friend who's going to help me to cut the lace, because I'm going to watch her do it so that I will learn, because I really don't know how to do these things. I'm so bad at these things. I don't know how to do these kind of things. So she's going to help me cut the lace, and I'm just going to sit down and watch her do it, and then the next time I'll do it myself so that I can learn. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Just want to show you guys what it looks like. Just a quick video, and I'll put all the information in the description box. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to check out my beauty channel. I'll put all the links below. This is beautiful. This is really nice. For 19 euros, this is cute. This is really cute. This is so cute. I like it. I really like it. I'll definitely come back to show you guys when I braid my hair and how I put it on. I'm definitely to come back to show you guys, but for just now I just want to show you a quick unboxing. And the wig is, it's really nice. I really like it now. So yeah, this is just a quick video, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe once more again, and don't forget to check out my beauty channel, and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you guys very soon. This is your amifullest. Peace out. Bye.